Welcome to the best picks. The best Star Anise Whole is probably one of the most visually striking and flavorful spices you can find. This star-shaped spice, derived from the Illicium verum fruit, is a powerhouse of flavor, adding a unique licorice-like sweetness and warmth to any dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the versatility of star anise makes it a must-have in your spice collection, perfect for both sweet and savory creations. Number 5. HANDPICK Star Anise Whole, 100g. This is HANDPICK Star Anise, made from the finest whole Chinese pods. It's a premium quality spice, perfect for adding a unique flavor to your dishes. Use it whole or ground to enhance your recipes. It's great for teas, marinades, soups, and broths. This versatile spice adds both flavor and nutrition to your meals. Sourced ethically from prime harvest gardens in India, this product contains no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. You can trust its purity. Made with pure ingredients and traditional methods, this spice enhances your cooking. It's a convenient way to upgrade your routine, free from artificial additives. HANDPICK is a carbon-neutral and a plastic-neutral brand. We invest in environmental sustainability initiatives in India to offset our footprint. Please note, this product is made in a facility that processes tree nuts, mustard, sesame, and milk. Please consider this if you have any allergies. Spice Train has been rebranded to HANDPICK. You'll still enjoy the same delicious taste with a fresh new identity. The packaging reflects our passion for culinary excellence. What we like. This star anise is not just about flavor, it also brings nutrition to your daily regime. It's made with the purest ingredients, ethically sourced. If you care about both your health and the planet, you should consider this product, as it is a carbon and plastic neutral brand. What people say. I absolutely love the taste of this. It's a very unique flavor and goes well in tea. The pods themselves seem very fresh and very well packaged. Nice strong taste. Number 4. Soeos Star Anise Whole, 4 ounces. Anise seeds are a delightful spice, perfect for enhancing your culinary creations. It adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to your cooking. You can use it in whole or ground form. This spice is known for its aromatic licorice flavor, making it a versatile ingredient. It can be used to elevate the taste of various recipes. It is a great addition to your kitchen. Star anise is commonly used in its whole form to flavor teas, marinades, soups, and broths. It infuses liquids with its unique taste. This will bring a special flavor to your food. This product is packed with protective antioxidants. These antioxidants help neutralize damaging free radicals in the body. It is a healthy choice for you. Whether you're cooking, baking, or brewing tea, this product is a fantastic choice. It adds a special touch to your dishes. It is a must-have spice. What we like. This star anise is packed with protective antioxidants, which is great for your health. It is perfect for cooking, baking, and tea. If you are looking for a versatile spice that adds both flavor and health benefits, you should choose this one. What people say. The resealable bag is a nice touch, keeping the anise fresh for longer. Adding a couple of these star anise pods into the broth brings a subtle, yet distinct, licorice-like flavor that complements the meats and veggies beautifully. The product is whole and not pieces that are broken. The flavor is fresh and distinct licorice flavor and works great as part of my lemon ginger tea. Number 3. The Spiceway Star Anise, 3 ounces. Introducing the Spiceway Star Anise. This whole star anise is perfect for adding a unique flavor to your cooking and baking. This Chinese star anise has been a staple in Chinese kitchens for generations. It adds a distinct licorice-like flavor to any dish. It's pure, with no preservatives, additives, MSG, or fillers. This product is also non-GMO, ensuring you get the best quality. Made from premium star anise, this product guarantees superior quality. You can taste the difference in every bite. The star anise is packed fresh in small batches right here in the US. This ensures the freshest flavor possible. With 30 years of experience, they use traditional methods. From hand picking to sun drying, they ensure the best quality. What we like. This star anise is made with no preservatives, additives, or fillers. It is packed fresh in the US. If you like the idea of farm-to-table freshness and want a spice that's pure and simple, you should consider this product. What people say. This brand has been consistently good. They arrived in excellent condition with mostly whole stars. Very aromatic. It only took 1 star to make a significant, pleasant difference. Number 2. Soeos Organic Star Anise 4 ounces. This organic star anise is naturally grown and free of chemicals. It's hand-picked and air-dried for maximum freshness. It's perfect for enhancing your dishes. This spice is great for general cooking. It's often used whole to flavor teas, marinades, soups, and broths. It also contains antioxidants that are good for you. Star anise itself isn't spicy at all. It adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to your cooking, making it perfect for soups and meats. It will elevate your dishes. Many seasonings, herbs, and spices go well with it. We recommend trying it with Szechuan peppercorn, chili powder, cumin, cinnamon, bean chili paste, and black pepper. Experiment and enjoy. From farm to table, we deliver the freshest spices. Quality is in everything we do, and we offer a money-back guarantee to ensure your satisfaction. Try it today. What we like. This star anise is organically grown and non-GMO. It is hand-picked and air-dried for maximum freshness. If you are looking for a spice that adds a wonderful aroma to your cooking and want to ensure it's organic, you should choose this one. What people say. Good quality, nice smell, and flavor. The plastic box makes it kind of safe for the whole anise to stay whole and not to break into pieces. Boil in water, nice smell in the house. This Star Anise brand is the best I've tried. It looks, tastes, and smells like what you expect. I use it for a wide variety of cooking, especially rice and quinoa. Number 1. Slofoodgroup Star Anise, Cooking, Pickling and Spice Mixes. Today, we're highlighting Slofoodgroup Star Anise. These star anise pods are perfect for enhancing your culinary creations. They are great for cooking, pickling, and spice mixes. Each pod is hand-picked and carefully sorted. They are harvested during the autumn season to ensure a higher oil content. This ensures a richer flavor. These star anise pods are ready to use. Simply add them to your liquid, braising stock, or cream to infuse flavor. The flavor will enhance your dishes. You can grind these whole star anise pods for fresh flavor. Grinding them yourself provides a more potent taste. It also extends the shelf life compared to pre-ground mixes. This package contains 1 ounce of Slofoodgroup Star Anise. It's a versatile spice that will elevate your cooking. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. This star anise comes from hand-picked pods with a higher oil content. It is more flavorful when ground fresh. If you like to grind your spices fresh for the best flavor, you should consider this product. What people say. That were fresh and flavorful. I use them for my mulled wine. Fragrant and quality whole pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.